Hey guys! Do you think tiny gadgets can't be cool? We bet these compact tools and accessories will impress you. Get ready for the most functional phone grip, an innovative voice recorder, and some really unusual fidget spinners. Plus, we have this cute puppy knife and the amazing luminous ring. All the links to the products you'll find in the description below. Let's go! Here's the best way to put all your notes, photos, and drawings on paper. This little printer is literally pocket-sized and also Bluetooth-enabled, so you can use it wirelessly either with your phone or any other devices. Instead of regular ink, this thing uses a heating printhead technology, saving you quite a lot of money. The dedicated mobile app allows you to quickly edit your text and images and print them instantly. There are several types of waterproof and really durable paper to choose from. Replacing the roll is extremely easy. Just like the stickers, this printer is available in several bright colors. Last but not least, that lovely hawk mouth is actually a detachable magnet. Professional DMX lighting is now available for everyone who has a passion for photography. This thing is versatile as it gets, with a huge variety of colors, moods, and dynamic effects. These are all available in the mobile app that lets you quickly set everything from brightness and color temperature to gorgeous gradient animations. More than that, you can make the lighting react to the ambient sound. The light charges via USB-C, delivering up to 4 hours of runtime. With its sturdy aluminum housing, this thing is definitely built to last. There are 2 sizes to choose from, 20 and 40 inches long, and of course there are all sorts of mounts and tripods for these lights. This knife's unusual curved shape is inspired by dogs. Look, there's a built-in rotatable tail and paw-printed pocket clip. The device is made from the toughest premium materials. It features an all-titanium handle along with a stainless steel blade. Thanks to great edge retention and wear resistance, it'll last for years. In addition, the knife features a smooth and secure locking mechanism that can be used with a single hand. And the curved handle allows a firm and comfortable 2-finger grip. As you can see, the knife is really compact and completely pocketable. So it's actually more like a puppy, but it still can bite you. Be careful. Here's the most convenient and safe way to share your home and car keys with your guests, family, and staff. This smart lock is fully controllable via a mobile app, which allows you to share temporary codes or grant permanent access. The lock can be opened either by the PIN code or a paired Bluetooth device. It's large enough to fit all sorts of keys and even access cards. You can hang the lock on your doorknob or mount it on the wall. The shackle's changeable so you can adjust it to your door size. Most importantly, every interaction with the lock is displayed in the app. This thing is really durable and works in any weather conditions. Everything is under your control. At first glance, this is nothing but a stylish phone grip. Quite a handy one. Thanks to that ring on the back, you'll finally end with dropping your phone on the floor. And since it's fully rotatable, you're free to choose the most comfortable viewing angle, or simply attach the phone to any magnetic surface for seamless hands-free use. Moreover, you can still charge your phone wirelessly without even removing the grip. But on top of all that, this thing also acts as a compact multi-tool. This is a perfect set for everyday carrying. 2 screwdrivers, box opener, belt cutter, and wrench. It's all in your phone stand. Those who wear glasses often don't clean them correctly, so the glasses aren't nearly as clean as they can be. That's why this gadget is a must-have. Designed specifically for cleaning eyeglasses, sunglasses, and reading glasses, this device uses the world's safest and most tested lens cleaning technology. Its groundbreaking invisible carbon microfiber formula will keep your accessory as clean as the day you bought them. And won't damage the special lens coating, by the way. This is actually the same cleaning technology used by NASA. The cleaner's been lab tested and lasts for over 500 lens cleans. It's 4 times more effective than either microfiber pads or clothes. So not only do you save money, you save time. It's time for some fidget spinners. As usual, we found the most unusual and amusing ones. This is the type of spinner that you can take to business meetings. It features classic minimalist design and comes either in rectangular or triangular shape and 3 different colors: silver, gold, and blue. And since it's made of copper and steel, this thing is extremely durable. Another great option is this sleek circular fidget spinner. The coolest part is that you can actually wear it as a ring since the center part is removable. It looks pretty sick. The toy features all-metal design, and of course there are several colors to choose from. And here's a great option for those who like creepy accessories. This coin-shaped spinner is decorated with a big, terrifying skull, along with some funny inscriptions. In addition, there are some black ceramic beads on the outside circle. Rock fans will also appreciate this triangular spinner that reminds of a plectrum. You can probably use it in the same way. Say goodbye to those fragile cables that get worn out after a couple of uses. This cable will outlive them all. Using ultra-durable Kevlar, this thing is able to bear up to 1,100 pounds and can be bent thousands of times with no damage. Want to set it on fire? Go on! Actually, there are 2 cables to choose from, USB-C to USB-C and USB-C to Lightning. Both of them stand out with amazing speed, featuring 100-watt max output and enormous data transmission. More than that, you can smoothly transfer 4K movies on your screen. The Lightning cable is officially certified by Apple, which means it perfectly suits all iOS devices. Most voice recorders are monofunctional, and the only function is just voice recording. So you better get this little gadget if you want to take videos as well. All you have to do is just push the slider to switch between audio and video modes. There's an integrated LED light that indicates the activated mode. As for the cam, it delivers decent HD quality footage. Despite the extremely compact size, this thing allows up to 5 hours of continuous video recording. The TF card slot makes sure you won't have to worry about storage. 32 gigabytes should be more than enough. And if you want to transfer the files to either your PC or smartphone, just plug the recorder to the device. So tiny it's almost like a spy gadget. When all the lights go out and all the batteries get drained, this thing will be your helping hand. These fluorescent tubes are powered by Tritium Gas. That means they need neither charging nor external energy at all. How long will they last? Each of these pipes stays active for 25 years. And the titanium shell makes sure the gadget will last that long. The shells differ a bit, so feel free to choose the most suitable option. The thing is extremely compact and can be easily carried on your keychain. Here's a similar option that features a slightly different design. It also comes in a variety of different bright colors. Most importantly, this thing is completely waterproof. And this is the biggest one. It stands out with 2 protective shells. One is made from brass and the other one is made from acrylic. Now you're ready for anything. There's another great way to bring some light anywhere you go. Just get yourself one of these stylish rings. Not only do they look modern and cool, they also act as a handy tool. The glow stripes inside these rings are made from a special self-luminous material. All you need to charge them is some direct sunlight or UV light. The darker the environment, the brighter your ring will glow. What's more, all these rings are actually handcrafted with the highest precision. This thing is really lightweight and comfortable to wear. It's made from carbon fiber that adds up to that great look and durability. There's a huge variety of different designs and color options to choose from. If you're afraid of the dark, this is clearly a must-have.